It was fabulous, fantastic. The children were playing together, and the teachers are very enthusiastic. They learned the children all the songs, so yeah, it was wonderful. Yeah, we have 4 schools: Prinses Amalia, Collegio Leerorkest Pascal, St. Paulus, and Graf van Zinzendorf, and they all play together today. Last time was good, but this was better because the children know what to do and they play better. So yeah, it was a little bit better. We are looking for donations and subsidies, of course, because yeah, it's hard to have a place like this. But no, where we are planning to do is every 2 times a year with all the schools together. They have 1 time a week. They have lessons from 45 minutes every week. So then they practice.